So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom group share. So previously, when you've done the complete technical analysis, we have seen all the important supports and what can be the near-term levels. So today, the stock circuit got opened in the morning session. So that clearly have mentioned in the Telegram group. So I told people who are interested can only buy in small portions because after many days since the circuit is getting opened, so better to add only in small portions. So apart from that, we also discussed few other stocks which also gave some very good moment. So try to join the Telegram. So in Telegram on regular basis, we'll discuss stocks for swing, long term followed by intraday as well. I'll provide link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so if we try to analyze the day-to-day wise deliveries before we go to the technical section, so obviously we'll see 100% deliveries. Why? Because already the stock was in NSE B category. So when any stock is in NSE B category, so the deliveries won't be visible, and also it's in upper circuit. So today, as I told, it got opened, so slightly the traded quantity would have been increased in today's session, but nothing to worry about that. As I told, we are searching for a long-term investment. So let's go to technical charts, both on daily chart and weekly chart. We'll try to find out what can be the next possible targets. Okay, so first if we try to observe the weekly chart, so we can see a back-to-back green candles would be visible in the recent time. So you have seen some very good movement. So as I told, today is the first day of the week and the circuit got opened. So earlier also this thing used to happen, but the stock still continued that particular uptrend. So whenever it is opening, so try to put small portions only. Don't put entire investment at a time, because if you put entire investment, so again if it retraces, you won't have funds to average. So averaging is very important. So each and every dip or each and every rise wherever circuit is opening, so you need to search for average opportunity. So that is where you will accumulate some very good quantity for long term. So weekly chart is very clear. So this week, first day, we have seen opening. So let's see how it goes in the coming sessions also. So market was also in a very good mood in the morning time, but suddenly it has gone into red region because of the Omni cases in UK. So that was one of the reason. So apart from that, everything we can say market was in a stable situation. So let's see in the coming sessions how it reacts. So quickly, let's go to daily chart. There also we'll see all the important levels. Okay, so if you try to observe the daily chart also, we have seen a very good uptrend in the stock in the recent times. So today's circuit obviously becomes a very good level in the coming days as well. So what is that particular level? 160 rupees level is going to be marked as an important level. So why I am marking that as an important level? Because in a upper circuit or lower circuit stock, so whenever circuit is getting opened, so that particular zone becomes a important level. So it may continue the trend till that 190 200 rupees level. So until then you can keep holding. All the short-term traders, long-term traders, keep holding. Average at each and every opening if the circuit is getting opened. So I'll also inform in the Telegram group immediately if it is getting opened, because when circuit get opened, so sometimes what happens, suddenly volume comes, again it closes, but at times it takes a little bit of time to close in that upper circuit. So when that gap is present, you need to encash that particular opportunity. So always buy in small portions and accumulate it for long term. Okay, so this is all about Brightcom group. So further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDiaryYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.